Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. How you doing, guys? So, we've got a DeWALT old Accu drill, okay? And I bought it for £10, two of them, I think 2 years ago or something. And I received one battery for free as well from one of the customers. And I meant to open that battery because that battery was totally flat, like literally no power whatsoever. So I said, look, maybe, just maybe, I can fix this battery for this, because I've got two of those and one doesn't hold charge for too long. So maybe I can one day open it, and it was lying and lying and lying and nothing was changing. So there are a few problems. I don't know if it's 18650s or it's a different one, because I never googled it. Then this one is super nasty. Okay, so in order to get it back to work, I would have to look. Super nasty. I think there was some moisture or something, because it doesn't look like normal to me. So I don't think these are 18650s. I'm telling you straight away. I think these are the shorter ones. I've got two of them, but I don't believe they are 18650s, which is a shame, because you've got 18650s in old laptops, like in laptops in general, and it's stuck to the bottom, so you shouldn't poke it unless you want to have something. Well, I don't want to like do something that the battery will, you know, start to burn, blow or something. Yes, I can try to gently poke it, but I don't see it moving, so I don't know what is the safe way to remove it, to be true. Okay, so it's soldered here, and this battery pack reveals itself inside. So these are straight down. Don't have a knife here, that's weird. But anyways, as I thought, these are not 18650s, which is not nice. But how many volts do we have? We've got 12 volts. 12 volts and 1.3 amp hours. So if I would get 3 of the 18650s here, would they fit? That's the question. No, this doesn't want to move. So it's glued at the bottom. Now the question is how to get it out, because if I will poke the battery, this can blow, or this can, you know, start to hiss, and it's not nice. Or can burst somehow. So I don't want to risk it, but I want to open it. I think I will pause it and I will see if I can come into any conclusion instead of wasting your time, and I will unpause it, whatever the outcome. Okay guys, so I found a way and I wanted to share with you this way. As you see, they started to come out. What I'm doing is I'm taking from each side and just doing like that with the flatter surface, so as flat as possible to not poke the batteries, because the minute you poke the battery, it can be your instant regret. Still doesn't wanna, it's going from this side, but still okay. So we have it. Oh, okay, so the next step would be to cut them here. This insulation, cut the insulation. Now they can reveal themselves. You see they burst anyway. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3. How they are connected now? At the bottom and at the top. That could be just the paper. That's fine. I will pause and I will grab a knife because it's on the second table over there. Okay guys, so I've used a blade and gently segregated all of that stuff. So they are connected in series. I don't know if you can see it clearly. And on this side, they are all connected in series. It's 9 of them in series. So they need to have over 1 volt. Or maximum of almost 2 volts in order to get 12 volts. I would say because it's 9 volts, no, because it's 12 volts, I would say that the maximum is about 1.5. So what to do now? I would say there is enough space for 3 18650s to fit inside. So that's what I will try to do. I need to look for some old laptop batteries. I know where I've got them, so I know I've got no access to them. But the plan is to literally take 3 18650s. 3 times 4. Yeah, that should be okay. Because these batteries, I will look on AliExpress and we can check how much the whole battery pack cost and how much individual cells are costing. Okay guys, so I'm on AliExpress and I can say that we've got 18350 here, 10 of them for 1921 plus VAT, and that will come in June, so that's a long delivery. We've got different ones here from different sellers. I was looking at them as well, but all of them are 37 volts, so in that case we would connect some of them in series and some of them how many, 16 pieces, 12 pieces, 8 pieces, so not this nor this, and that's 1000 milliamp hours lithium battery, yes, 1000 times cycle charge, so it's like, wow, okay, that's a lot, like for lithium battery it's too much, I would say. I don't think we can find anything better anyways, so I would say about 25 pounds I need to spend on individual cells to buy them, yes. Okay, so as we can see, it's not worth if you don't have battery cells, if you want to buy them, because you can buy these and even, you know, with a higher capacitance. I've got only 1.3, so 1300, so 1.3 amp hours, whereas here you've got far bigger, yes, ones. I would say if you have 18650s line and if you can stick them inside, it's worth because you don't spend money. But if you going to buy even on AliExpress the whole battery pack, you won't spend so much and you don't have a work, yes. So you see, now you see, either you have like me lying around or no point to even open it, yes. So I will stick to my original idea, so that means sticking the 18650s inside so I can produce 12 volts and see how it will go, how long it will hold the charge and so on. I will learn on one, I will know if I want to do more or not. If I will find time, I will record a video. If no, I will test and then I will record a video after how it's, you know, holding and so on, yes. Thank you guys for watching, hopefully you've got a lesson out of it. If possible, leave some like or comment down below. See you in the next video, and for those who run electronics repair shop or would like to join us to learn fixing electronic repairs, please check bookrepaironline.co.uk because we've got great app to manage the business. But that's it in this episode. Thank you guys. Bye bye.